Welcome to Porsche Top 5. Today, it's all about performance, and therefore, we welcome the one and only Lars Kern and the GT2 RS.
Hi guys, today I'm about to have a little competition against some other Porsche, and the target will be to find out which Porsche has the best acceleration. Whoa, wait. I think we have some time to warm up the tires. With the new GT2 RS, we recently broke the Nürburgring lap record with an astonishing 6 minutes 47. This didn't only happen for one reason, so please let me present you the top 5 features of the new GT2 RS. The shape of the car, of course, can be recognized as a 911 from the first sight. You immediately see the car was designed performance orientated. For the first time in a Porsche production car, we cool our brakes not with underfloor cooling, we cool it with 2 NACA air intakes on the front bonnet. 20-inch wheels in the front, 21-inch wheels in the rear. These are the air intakes for the intercoolers to cool down the charge air. We found out that we have 200 kilograms pushing on the front spoiler, so we had to put steel ropes in here just to keep the spoiler in one piece. While driving, the spinning wheels, they generate a lot of overpressure in the wheel houses. Therefore, we put these louvers just to get all the overpressure out of the wheel houses as fast as possible. And if you ask me, they look pretty cool. Coming to the rear section of the car, we are having 2 big air ram intakes just on top of the engine, which take in the air we use for the 700 horsepower. What else do we see on the rear? A big rear wing. In combination with a diffuser, which is under the floor, so you can't see it. The diffuser and the rear wing generate something like 400 kilos of downforce, which is a lot. Sure, the engine sound is really important for a car like this. Just to generate a typical Porsche GT2 RS sound, our engineers went to the museum, had a look at the old 935 turbo engines, and they found out that with a really short pipe length, you're gonna generate a really typical Porsche turbo sound. The guys asked me to talk about lightweight features. It would be way easier to talk about non-lightweight features because we don't have any of these. But coming to the real lightweight, we can start in the rear. Carbon rear wing, Gorilla Glass over here, Gorilla Glass on the side windows, magnesium roof, carbon bonnet, carbon fenders. So there's nothing left basically. A real crucial factor for the outstanding performance of the GT2 RS is the driving behavior. So if you put the foot down on the floor, you immediately get a response from the car. So if you put the PDK to PDK Sport, the downshifts are even punchier. The rear axle steering makes the car a lot more agile in slow corners. It makes it a lot more stable in the fast corners, for example on the racetrack. We mounted the 3.8 liter B-turbo engine as low as possible. 700 horsepower, which is enormous for a 3.8 liter engine. And the engine is just connected to the rear axle, so it's a rear-wheel driven supercar. The acceleration of the new GT2 RS is brutal. It's going from 0 to 100 really fast. The reason why we took titanium exhaust is the high melting point So for sure, after a really fast hot lap, you're gonna see the exhaust glowing. In my opinion, there's no other sports car that could face the GT2 RS at the moment. Whoa. Yeah? Whoa, yeah, I'm late. Sorry guys.
Next week, we'll see if Lars will make it in time, and we're excited to discover which model will win this epic showdown. See you then.